everyone. Today we will begin with our book Pebbles of Grammar by Galaxy Publications, Class 4. Hello everyone. Let's begin with our new chapter, that is chapter number 21, and the chapter is Homophones and Homographs. What are homophones? Homophones are words that should be the same but have different meaning. So what are words that actually sound the same and have different meanings and spellings also? So let's take an example of the number 2. TWO is what? It's a number, but it sounds similarly to the word TOO, which actually means also. So both the two, they sound the same but their meanings are different, as well as their spellings are different. So those words which actually sound similar but their meanings are different and the spellings are also different, they are known as homophones. Second example given over here is SEEC, which means to look, whereas SEAC, it means ocean. Third example is RIGHT, right, which means correct, and WRITE, it means to form letters, that means to write down on the paper. Next, let's study what are homographs. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different meanings. So what are homographs? They are actually words which are spelled in the same manner but they have different meanings. They may be pronounced the same or differently. Might be like that their spellings are same but they are pronounced in different manner. The first example given over here is, first is bat, B-A-T, bat, which refers to an animal. Then the other B-A-T, bat, it refers to the thing which is used in a cricket to play with the ball. So hence bat and this bat, they both are homographs. Second example given over here is tear, and again the second example is tear. Both the tear, they are different but they sound similar. First one's meaning is drop from eyes, जिसको हम बोलते हैं आंसू, whereas the second one is to rip apart, means to tear off, जिसका मतलब हम फाड़ना. Then the third one is lead. Lead means to guide, and the second lead refers to a actually metal. So this is actually pronounced not as lead, it is lead. So as I told you earlier, homographs can be pronounced similarly as well as it may be pronounced differently. So let's revise quickly what are homophones. Homophones are words which sound similar but their meanings are different and their spellings are different. Whereas what are homographs? Homographs are words which are actually same in the spelling, they sound also same but the meanings are absolutely different. Now they have given a list of homophones in this table. Let's now read them quickly. The first one is bear and the second word is beer. Now what is the first word meaning? Means without covering, without any cover, whereas this bear means an animal. Then two and two. Meaning of TWO2 is number 2, whereas TOO means also. Then SEEC. C refers to watch, to look, whereas SEAC, it means ocean. RIGHT means the right hand side, or you can also say RIGHT is correct. Well, WRIT means to form letters. Next is N-I-G-H-T, night, it is the time after the sunset. Whereas K-N-I-G-H-T, it also sounds same, night, but it means a warrior. P-A-I-R is pair, P-E-A-R is peer. Pair means two of something, like we say pair of socks. Whereas P-E-A-R is fruit. It's a name of a fruit. The next one is M-A-I-L, mail. Now it is what? It is a letter or a post. Whereas M-A-L-E, male is what? It's a gender, whether a boy or a man. Then the next word is sun. S-U-N, sun. And this is S-O-N, sun. S-U-N refers to the scar which we see every day, the yellow ball of gases that is shining in the sky. And S-O-N, sun is what? It is the male child. Then B-L-U-E, blue, it's the name of the color, and B-L-E-W, blue is what? It's the past of blow. It is the past form of blow. Then we have O-N-E, one. One is again what? It's a number, and W-O-N, one means to win. It is the past form of win. The last one given in this table is B-U-Y, buy. Buy means to purchase, and B-Y, buy means near. So, with this we have read the table. I hope you have understood this list of homophones. I repeat once again, what are homophones? Homophones are words which sound similar but their meanings are different and their spellings are also different. Now let's move to the next page. Some more homophones are given on the next page. Let's now read them quickly. P-L-A-N-E, plane. P-L-A-I-N, again plane. This plane refers to the aircraft, whereas A-I-N refers to the simple. Then A-T-E, ate, it is the past tense of eat, and E-I-G-H-T, ate is a number. F-L-O-U-R, flour, it means it is actually used in baking, जिसको हम आटा भी कहते हैं. And F-L-O-W-E-R, it is also pronounced as flower, but it refers to the what? It's a bloom, यानी कि फूल. H-O-U-R is R, and O-U-R is also pronounced as R, but the first one refers to 60 minutes, means एक घंटा. Ghanta is known as R, and O-U-R refers to something which is belonging to us. जो चीज हमारी है उसको हम बोलते हैं R. K-N-I-G-H-T, night, it refers to a warrior, whereas N-I-G-H-T refers to the time after the sunset. M-E-A-T, meat, it refers to the flesh which is used for eating, and M-E-E-T, meat, refers to come together, join together to meet someone. Meet मतलब किसी से मिलना. P-I-E-C-E, peace means a part of something जिसको हम कहते हैं टुकड़ा, whereas P-E-A-C-E means peace, शांति, calmness. Next, T-A-I-L, tail, that's the animal's rear part, जिसको हम पूंछ कहते हैं हिंदी में, whereas T-A-L-E, tail, refers to a story. Then the next one is W-E-A-K, weak. It refers to someone who is not strong, यानी कि कमजोर. और W-E-E-K, week, refers to हफ्ता, the 7 days. W-A-I-T is what? Wait, that means to stay, यानी कि रुकना. W-E-I-G-H-T, weight, means वजन, it means the heaviness. R-E-A-D, read, R-E-E-D again read, but R-E-A-D read means to look at the words यानी कि पढ़ना, and R-E-E-D refers to a type of plant. S-O-L-E is soul, which means only one, the only one. एकलौता, S-O-L-E means एकलौता, only one. Whereas S-O-U-L soul means आत्मा, जिसको हम बोलते हैं the inner spirit. Next one is S-E-N-T, scent. It is the past tense of send. Or C-E-N-T, cent means it's actually a coin, it's a currency. S-C-E-N-T, scent means it's the odor, or you can call it as the smell, whereas again C-E-N-T can also be referred to as and called as coin. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather, and weather is what? It's the climate. Now W-H-E-T-H-E-R, it is if or choice. When giving a choice, we use the word weather. B-R-E-A-K, break means to smash, यानी कि तोड़ना, whereas B-R-A-K-E, it means to stop a vehicle, यानी कि when we put a brake, जब हम stop करते हैं vehicle को, so that means we are talking about the word B-R-A-K-E. Next is B-E-A-T, beat. Beat means to hit someone, यानी कि किसी को मारना, whereas B-E-E-T, beet is what? It is a root vegetable, चुकंदर. Then stationary, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y, stationary. What is stationary? It means not moving, यानी कि कोई एक जगह पर स्थित है, कहीं रुका हुआ है, and it is not moving. Whereas when I use the word E, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y, that means we are talking about the paper items or the stationery items which we use for our studying purpose. For example, paper, pencil, pen, erasers and sharpeners. Next is S-T-A-R-E, stare. And the meaning of S-T-A-R-E, stare is to look long, यानी कि किसी को घूरना. And S-T-A-I-R, stare means सीढ़ियाँ. We can say steps. S-C-E-N-E, what is it known as? Scene means a view or setting. That means scene का मतलब हुआ एक नज़ारा. और S-E-E-N, scene means past of sea. Then H-I-R-E, hire. Hire means to employ something, किसी को काम पर लगाना. H-I-G-H-E-R is also pronounced as higher, but that means more tall, यानी कि कोई चीज और ऊंची है, लंबी है. F-O-U-L is foul, which means bad smell, and F-O-W-L is also foul, but it means a bird. Let's now move further. The next word is A-L-O-U-D, aloud, which means out loud, जो मतलब बहुत ऊंचे स्वर का है. Whereas A-L-L-O-W-E-D is to give permission to someone, means permitted. D-I-E, die. Die means to stop living, means marna. Whereas D-Y-E, die is a color of something. P-E-A-C-E is peace, that means calmness, जिसको हम शांति बोलते हैं. And P-I-E-C-E actually a part of something, यानी कि टुकड़ा. H-E-E-L, heel is back of foot, यानी कि हमारी एड़ी. और H-E-A-L, heel का मतलब होता है to recover. Principal, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Now this principal refers to the head of the school, but when I say P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E, so we are talking about the rules or beliefs. This principal means rules. IDOL, idol, it refers to the image to worship यानी कि मूर्ति, whereas IDLE, idle means not active, which is not doing anything, खाली यानी कि. PALE, pale, pale refers to light in color यानी कि ऐसी चीज जिसका रंग उड़ा हुआ हो, whereas PAIL refers to a bucket. HOLE, hole, ये तो हम सबको पता है, it's an empty space यानी कि खाली, whereas WHOLE means entire thing यानी कि पूरी एक चीज. So का मतलब therefore, whereas SEW means to stitch. So with this we have completed the table on the page number 86. Let's now move to the next page. Now the next page brings you a list of homographs. Let me remind you once again, what are homographs? Homographs are words which are actually same in pronunciation as well as they are same in spellings, but they mean different. उनका मतलब अलग होता है और हो सकता है कि उनको हम प्रोनाउंस भी कई बार अलग करें. For example, the first one is, let's read them quickly. Bat. Now, bat is also refers to an animal. Then secondly, it is also referred to a thing which is used in cricket. Then we say bark. Bark means it is the covering of a tree, यानी कि पेड़ की छाल. Whereas bark also refers to the sound of the dog, यानी कि कुत्ते का भौंकना. Third one is LEAD. Lead means to guide, whereas LEAD, lead, it refers to a metal. TEAR, tear, which means the drop from the eyes, यानी कि आंसू. और टीयर का एक और मतलब होता है, दैट मीन्स टू रिप समथिंग, यानी कि किसी चीज को फाड़ना. देन वी हैव BOW, bow, दैट मीन्स टू बेंड फॉरवर्ड, यानी कि झुकना. एंड वन इट ऑल्सो मीन्स बो. हम यहाँ पे इसको प्रोनाउंस करेंगे डिफरेंटली जब हम उसका मीनिंग बोल रहे हो. वेपन फॉर शूटिंग एरोज, बो. CLOSE is close, which means near. And one close refers to shut something, यानी कि कुछ बंद करना. Then we have WIND, wind, which means moving air. And one more thing, WIND जब हम उसको twist या turn बुलाएंगे तो उसको हम wind ना कह के we will call it as wind. That means the pronunciation has changed here. Next, ROW, row. Row means एक line. It means a line. And next means to a paddle a boat. बोट को चलाने को भी row कहते हैं. Then we have WATCH, watch, which refers to observe, यानी कि किसी चीज को देखना, उस पे ध्यान देना. Whereas watch is another item which is a wrist timepiece. That means घड़ी. Next is RING, ring. Now I hope आपको पता हो ring क्या होती है. It's a jewelry which is worn in the fingers. And another thing, a ring can be sound of a bell, यानी कि घंटी की आवाज को भी हम ring कहते हैं. RIGHT is right, which means हमारा मतलब हुआ correct. Whereas the second meaning of RIGHT is a direction, यानी कि दिशा. Then we have the word spring. SPRING, spring. Spring refers to a season as well as it refers to jump. I hope आप सबने spring देखा होगा. राउंड राउंड स्ट्रक्चर होता है, सिलिंड्रिकल फॉर्म में होता है और उसको अगर दबाएं तो वो जंप करता है. Then we have another word, well, 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 and it means healthy, यानी कि तंदुरुस्त होना. And the second word is actually a water source, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कुआं. Then we have FAIR, fair. Fair means just or equal, यानी कि बिल्कुल बराबर और दूसरा मतलब फेयर का होता है एक कार्निवल, जिसको हम कह सकते हैं मेला। NAIL, nail. What does nail mean? Nail is actually a finger part, यानी कि हमारे नखून। But the second meaning of NAIL, nail, is a small metal pin, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं कील। Other word is now rock, ROCK, rock. What does rock mean? It's a stone. हम किसी पत्थर को rock कहते हैं। Whereas the second meaning of the rock is to move back and forth, यानी कि आगे पीछे चलना। या फिर किसी कुर्सी को आपने देखा होगा, जैसे कि हम कहते हैं रॉकिंग चेयर। What does a rocking chair do? आगे पीछे होती है रॉकिंग चेयर, इसीलिए हम वहां पे वो यूज करते हैं रॉक। MATCH, मैच। What does match means? It's a contest, जैसे कि क्रिकेट मैच, हॉकी मैच, फुटबॉल मैच। और सेकेंड मीनिंग मैच का जो होता है टू मेक इक्वल, किसी चीज का मिलान दूसरे से करना, बराबर मिलाना। Then we have the word BANK, bank. What does bank refer to? River edge, यानी कि किसी नदी का किनारा। जबकि सेकेंड मीनिंग है अ प्लेस टू कीप मनी, जहां पर हम अपना मनी सेव करते हैं, रखते हैं। CAN, can. Now the meaning of can means be able to, किसी काम को करने की क्षमता, और if you are able to do something is known as can. But second meaning of can is a container, like we drink cold drink from cans, CAN, can. TRIP, trip. Now what does trip refer to? A journey. किसी journey को हम trip बुलाते हैं। Whereas trip also means to stumble or fall, लड़खड़ाना या गिरना। Other word now is LIGHT, light. The first meaning given over here is something which is not heavy, मतलब हल्का। Whereas the second meaning of light is source of brightness, उजाला देने की क्षमता रखने वाली कोई source is known as light. Let's now move further. The next word is now LIE, lie. और पहला मतलब होता है to recline, और दूसरा means to tell falsehood, यानी कि झूठ बोलना। Park, PARK, park. Now this is what? It's the green area where benches are there, trees are there, various types of flowers are there, and people go to sit and enjoy the environment. Whereas the second meaning of park is to stop a vehicle, ऐसी जगह जहां आप अपनी गाड़ी को रोक के खड़ा रखते हैं। Then we have DUCK, duck. What is a duck? It's the name of a bird. But the second meaning is to bend quickly, जल्दी से झुकना। WELL, well, it means good health, whereas the second meaning is deep hole for water, गहरा गड्ढा पानी का, जिसको हम कुआं भी बुलाते हैं। Then BOOK, book. What is a book? It is a set of pages. कई pages combine होके कुछ topic पे जब combine हो जाते हैं तो हम उनको collectively call करते हैं book. Whereas other word for book means to reserve. जैसे कि हम क्या reserve करते हैं, theaters में हम book करते हैं अपनी seat, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं we book our tickets. So to reserve means to book. WATCH, watch means to look at, किसी चीज को देखना, observe करना, and watch is another thing. It is a device which tells you time. FAN, fan. Now what is a fan? It's a cooling device which when rotates, when it is switched on, तो आपको हवा लगती है, that is actually a fan. Another meaning of fan is an admirer. Like we are fan of Bollywood heroes or heroines. So what is the other word for an admirer? FAN, fan. Then we have TIRE, tire. What is the meaning of tire? It means to become वेयरी एंड द सेकेंड मीन्स इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ व्हीकल, यानी किसी व्हीकल के हिस्से को हम टायर कहते हैं. देन F-I-L-E, file. File is actually what? It's a document, whereas the other word is to smooth with a tool. File means to smooth something with a tool. Then we have the last word over here, that is bat. It is a flying mammal and the other one is a cricket equipment. Now let's move to the next page. So this was all about homographs and homophones. There is no exercise in this chapter. I hope you have understood the difference between the two. You all should collectively go and read this table of homographs and homophones together, and it will be made much clearer to you. Thanks for watching the video. Till then, take care and goodbye. For the next video, keep waiting and keep watching. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.